artists and creatives. I'm Sarah Richards Graba, and I invite you to join me for an arts workshop on ekphrastic writing and creation, presented by Collective.aporia. What is ekphrastic writing and creation, you may be asking? Well, I'm glad you asked, because that is one of the big questions that we'll explore in this workshop, one of the central questions. But basically, ekphrasis is when you create in response to another work of art. And this response can be a detailed description, it can be a way to recount the art or to tell a story about it, or it could be responding to the work of art in some other way. So while it's used in creative writing and poetry, this term ekphrasis or ekphrastic writing is mostly used in poetry. In this workshop, we'll be exploring the many different possibilities of ekphrasis in all kinds of art forms, such as visual art, performance art, video, music, creative writing, poetry, and much more. So by using techniques like found art and assemblage, we'll create unique pieces that will help us spring into our own studies with ekphrasis. We'll also learn a number of different frameworks to reapproach your art. And we will also discover inspiring artists to spark our own creative muscles. So I hope that you will join us. Bring your words, bring your art, bring your creativity, bring what you can, whatever it is. Bring your heart. Welcome home with Collective.aporia.